All right, let's talk about one of the freshest, most vibrant drinks you can whip up in your own kitchen: carrot and beetroot juice. Not only does it look amazing, but this powerhouse blend is loaded with nutrients that'll have you feeling your best from the inside out. First off, what's so special about this juice? Carrots bring in a ton of vitamin A, antioxidants, and that natural sweetness. Beetroots, they're famous for their nitrates, which help boost blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even enhance your stamina. Put them together, and you've got a drink that supports your heart, your immune system, your digestion, and even your skin. So how do you make it? Super easy. Here's what you need. Grab 1 or 2 fresh beetroots and 2 to 3 carrots. Make sure they're nice and firm. I like to toss in a small piece of ginger, and if you want it sweeter, go ahead and add half an apple. Step 1. Wash and peel your veggies. This is important, especially with beets. They can hold on to a lot of dirt. Chop everything into chunks so it's easier to blend or juice. Now, if you have a juicer, just feed the pieces through and collect that gorgeous ruby red juice. No juicer? No problem. Throw everything into a blender with about a liter of water. Blend until smooth. Next, grab a fine sieve or a muslin cloth and strain the mixture. This gets rid of the pulp and leaves you with a silky, refreshing juice. If you like it extra smooth, strain it twice. Pour your juice into a bottle and pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Trust me, it tastes best chilled. When you're ready to serve, pour it over ice and garnish with a sprig of mint. Looks fancy, tastes even better. Now, a couple of pro tips. If you want to keep your juice for longer, you can pasteurize it. Heat it up to about 90 degrees Celsius for 25 seconds, then refrigerate. It'll stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. And if you like experimenting, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of citric acid. It brightens up the flavor and helps preserve the juice. This drink is more than just a pretty color. It's a nutrient powerhouse, packed with beta-carotene, folic acid, iron, vitamin C, and a bunch of antioxidants. Regularly sipping on carrot and beetroot juice can help detox your liver, boost your immunity, and even give your skin that healthy glow. So there you have it, a simple, delicious way to fuel your body and treat yourself at the same time. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. And hey, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Cheers to your health.